Merry Christmas! Hi everyone, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So we're gonna react to a brand new single done by Mission Souls. It is called Last Christmas. Taylor Swift version. Family bands. And I wanna say Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. May the good Lord bless you and keep you throughout 2025. It's a blessing to be here. And there are so much people who have lost their lives, but let's give God thanks we're among the living today and we are standing above our graves. Okay, so without further ado, let's hear what the family have to say. Peace.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Once bitten and twice shy, I keep my distance, but you still catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Well, it's been a year, it doesn't surprise me. Merry Christmas, I wrapped it up and sent it with a note saying I love you, I meant it. Now I know what a fool.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Their music literally transpires greatness. Every song sung by them, it transpired greatness, right? And this Christmas Carol song by them was done by Taylor Swift originally. It is sounding pleasantly good. Very good relaxation. It is just beautiful sound in my ears. Wonderful.
But if you kiss me now, I know you fool me again. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart.
Bro, me like the kid, man. The kid. I look up to these kids so much. The family is a beautiful family, right? I love to see these kids play so much music, bro. Very good music playing. So much good talent. Damn, I'm feeling blessed at this point, man. The guitarist, everyone, bro. It's amazing. It totally amazes me, man.
But the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
Definitely a sound of joy. Definitely a music that will literally lights up my Christmas. Definitely a long lasting music.
Crowded room and friends with tired eyes. I'm hiding from you and your soul of eyes. Oh my, I thought you were someone to rely on. I guess I was a shoulder to cry on, a face on a lover with a fire in his heart.
What a beautiful family from the Philippines. Her voice is chirping with greatness, bro. Blossoming with the rays of sunshine. Mm, 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 mm. Quite a golden fine voice.
A girl undercover, but you tore her apart. Maybe this year, I'll give it to someone special.
Hey, Merry Christmas, everyone. Hey, that drum roll, bro, it's so clean. Yo, that youth, man, that youth, bro, he's so talented, man. He's so talented. Hey, these people, man, these Philippines family, bro. I mean, like, wow, extraordinary.
Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. 'Cause last Christmas.
Yo, that dude, bro, that dude. I ain't gonna lie, I'm loving them, bro. I'm loving this family. I'm loving everything they do. Quite fascinating, if you ask me, man.
This year won't be anything like last Christmas. I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away.
Ah, what an astounding song. I mean, like, yeah, I haven't heard this song before. And yes, it's from Taylor Swift, but I haven't heard this song before. This family led me to discover this song, and bro, trust me, if I'm not familiar with the artist, then I would say that this family was the original owner of this song. Song is well done, bro. Performance is well done. Everything is just a masterpiece of work. Definitely.
This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
That was an excellent performance. Well done, guys. Well done. So, if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in the next suggested content.